Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we have Windows 11 and how to check your startup apps, what type of apps they are starting with the Windows. So today we have Windows 11, so very easy and quick. You don't have to get into the settings, just right click on your taskbar, task manager, and here you can see apps tree, startup apps. So I'm just gonna make it a little bit maximize. Startup apps, these are your startup apps. So let's say Microsoft Teams. I don't want Microsoft Teams. It's already been disabled, and you can disable from this page also, or enable them. And as you can see, I'm using Lively Wallpaper, Microsoft Teams, and this is Microsoft Teams, and I'm going to disable Microsoft Teams also. And that's how you disable any app and startup apps in Windows 11. Thank you for watching tutorial videos. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned.